Hey everyone, it's your girl Cosmix Wonderland, and in my video today we're going to be doing an e-girl makeup transformation makeup tutorial. So if you would like to see how I go from this look to this, then stay tuned because here we go. Here is this product here. I got this off Amazon. It was $3.50. It is a heart. I don't know if you can even see the heart, but it's a heart stamp. I threw this in the trash the first time I used it. I hated it so much because the ink wouldn't come out. It wasn't stamping properly. It was just literally a nightmare. My husband told me, get it out of the trash, let me play with it, let me try and see if we can get it to work. Honestly, I would not suggest buying this off Amazon even though it's cheap. I'm sure there are better e-girl heart stamp eyeliner pens out there than the one I bought. But we kept it upside down for 3 days. It may work, it may not. We're gonna try it, and I really, really hope that this doesn't ruin the makeup that I've worked on. I'm going to give it one last chance to see if this product is redeemable, and if it's not, I stand by my Amazon review. Anyways, let's go ahead and try and use this, you guys. We're gonna try it again. So just let go. So now I need to fix my makeup because that pin ruined my face. This is what happened the first time I used it. Don't waste your money. So I'm gonna try and fix my makeup, and I will have to use this eyeliner here and draw on my very own heart because the stamp didn't work. And I will never use it again. In fact, this is what I think of your product. That is what I think of it. I did my very best, so this is my e-girl heart. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna contour. Obviously, take out my Smashbox palette, this color here. Then I'm gonna put on false lashes and black lipstick. So now the fun part begins. My makeup is finally done. I'm gonna put my hair in a ponytail and I'm gonna pull out my new wig, Cosplay e-girl. Let's do this. My beautiful, beautiful wig right here. And these are clip-on Cosplay pigtails. They just clip in, boop. So this is the black wig. Now I just need to put my e-girl Cosplay pigtails in without pinching my actual scalp because that doesn't feel good. Alright, so here is the finished look. this is my hair. My wig is done. Everything. My outfit is super cute, like super cute. I am wearing this, I guess it's like a sequined emoji fruit skirt, little tutu. The leggings that I made myself, my stockings with the 140 Swarovski crystals, and my Dolls Kill boots for this look, and my little pastel and black tank top. So this is the final look. Please leave a comment down below if you have any questions, comments, concerns, or if you just want to leave sweet somethings on my page. Go for it. Hit the like button down below. Subscribe if you're not already. Join the FanFab family. We believe everything here can be fixed with glitter. So anyways, stay fantabulous, and as always, this e-girl will stay fantabulous for you guys. Bye!